Hello everyone, and welcome to Sofia, a hidden gem among European capitals that often goes unnoticed by international travelers. Sofia, the heart of Bulgaria, is one of Europe's oldest capitals, with a history stretching back over 7,000 years. Situated at the foot of the majestic 𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗚𝗔 mountain, the city seamlessly blends ancient heritage with modern charm. Sofia has around 1.5 million inhabitants, with 70% of the population practicing Eastern Orthodoxy. The second largest religious group is Muslims, accounting for around 10% of the population. This diverse spiritual landscape reflects Bulgaria's rich cultural and historical influences over the centuries. Sofia is the political, economic, and cultural center of the country. From Roman ruins to majestic Orthodox cathedrals, this city is a living museum that tells the story of centuries past while embracing the future. Join us as we uncover this fascinating European capital's rich culture, breathtaking architecture, hidden treasures, and will guide you through its top highlights and help you decide if this vibrant city is worth a visit. Before exploring its hidden gems, let's first dive into its historical significance. Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria, boasts a rich and complex history, making it one of the oldest cities in Europe. Once known as 𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗚𝗔, the city flourished as a key Roman stronghold after being conquered by the Roman Empire in 29 BC. Throughout the centuries, Sofia became a cultural and political crossroads, influenced by the Byzantine Empire and later the Ottoman Empire. Despite periods of foreign domination, Bulgaria established two powerful medieval states. The First Bulgarian Empire, between the 7th to 11th centuries, and the Second Bulgarian Empire, between 1225 to 1396. After World War II, the country was a communist republic until 1990. Following the fall of communism, Bulgaria embraced democracy and integrated with the West, becoming a member of NATO in 2004 and the European Union in 2007. Let's move on to our main part, the hidden gems of Sofia. One of Sofia's most remarkable historical landmarks is the 𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗚𝗔 Rotunda, a 4th century church and the city's oldest surviving structure. Hidden within a courtyard surrounded by modern government buildings, this ancient gem stands as a powerful reminder of Sofia's rich and layered history. For those eager to discover something unique, 𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗚𝗔 Church is a must-see UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its stunning 13th century frescoes, regarded as masterpieces of medieval art, offer a rare and fascinating insight into Bulgaria's rich spiritual heritage. A visit to Sofia wouldn't be complete without admiring the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. This iconic landmark, a powerful symbol of Bulgarian faith and freedom, is among the largest Eastern Orthodox cathedrals in the world. Its golden domes shine brilliantly in the sunlight, while the interior features stunning frescoes that depict stories of faith and perseverance. A must-see in Sofia is 𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗚𝗔𝗥𝗜𝗔 Cathedral, a site with deep historical roots. Originally consecrated in the 10th century, the current structure dates back to the 1930s. Step inside to marvel at the intricate murals added in the 1970s, which beautifully showcase Bulgaria's rich artistic and spiritual heritage. To experience the cultural heart of Sofia, a visit to the Ivan Vazov National Theatre is essential. Boasting a grand neoclassical facade and surrounded by picturesque gardens, this iconic landmark has been the center of Bulgarian performing arts for over a century, hosting timeless performances and cultural events. Next, we have the Banja Bashi Mosque, also known as Sofia's Central Mosque. Built in 1566, it was designed by Mimar Sinan, one of the Ottoman Empire's most renowned architects. We're now at 𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗚𝗔𝗥𝗜𝗔 Station, one of the most remarkable metro stations in the world. Built around ancient Roman ruins, the station doubles as an open-air museum, seamlessly blending modern infrastructure with centuries-old history. When the station opened, the archaeological remains were carefully preserved and integrated into the design. Next, we have the Sofia Synagogue, completed in 1909. It stands as the largest synagogue in the Balkans and the third largest in Europe. Despite Bulgaria's small Jewish community, the synagogue remains fully functional, preserving its rich cultural and religious heritage. Just a short drive from the city center, we will reach 𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗚𝗔 Mountain, a nature lover's paradise. In summer, it offers scenic hiking trails and breathtaking panoramic views, while in winter, it transforms into a popular destination for skiing and snowboarding, making it a year-round escape into the great outdoors. Now, let's explore one of Sofia's most striking remnants of the communist era, the National Palace of Culture, NDK. It stands as the largest multifunctional convention center in southeastern Europe. Designed by Bulgarian architect 𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗚𝗔𝗥𝗜𝗔, this monumental complex was constructed to commemorate 1,300 years since the founding of the first Bulgarian state, reflecting the grandeur and ambition of its time. With a usable floor space of 123,000 square meters, approximately 1.3 million square feet, it remains an impressive symbol of Bulgaria's heritage and architectural ambition. And when it comes to culture and cuisine, Sofia's charm extends to its vibrant culture and mouth-watering cuisine. Don't miss the chance to taste 𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗚𝗔𝗥𝗜𝗔 salad, a refreshing blend of tomatoes, cucumbers, and feta cheese, or 𝗕𝗨𝗟𝗔𝗥𝗜𝗔, a flaky pastry filled with cheese. The city's bustling cafes and local markets are perfect spots to experience Bulgarian hospitality. And that wraps up our journey through Sofia, Bulgaria. This city is undoubtedly one of the most underrated capitals in Europe. With its rich history and striking contrasts, Sofia offers a truly unique atmosphere. It is one of the most affordable capitals in the European Union, and it's a destination that won't break the bank. So, when will you take the leap and explore the hidden gems of Sofia? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel stories.